can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Ryan Little.
Okay, too late. You're part of the intro.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of TooFast TV. Today we got more shop shenanigans for you, so just stick around and enjoy the episode.
What's up today?
What's up, Salim?
Everybody's late. I'm just kidding. I'm the one that's just
I was on time.
I'm the only one that's late, man. So this Toyota is OBD relearn. Where's the OBD?
I'm on it right now.
Oh, okay, here. This is how you
Right now, sir. I'm on it
I
right
need
now.
to do it 1 second, bro.
Let Salim show you how it's done.
This is unplugged. Ignition on. Now you gotta come scan this cocksucker. I can't believe you guys are still working on the same car. Okay, get the other scanner. With the other plug. What's up, bro? How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yes.
Good, brother.
I noticed this is broken.
Yeah.
Sure.
The shock, eh? Hey, Austin! What the f is this, man?
Other side is normal.
How about the control arm? It's brand new, bro. This guy's retarded. What the f, man?
Apparently, I just saw it.
Bro, come on, man. You gotta
thought that
at
was
least
the
give me some
controller.
coils, bro.
Wait, you just need the bottom.
Where are you gonna get?
I swear you have.
Where's the other OBD plug?
It was that.
The control arms are brand new.
I thought it was like that's the
Is there
noise.
any play, guys?
Wait, I don't know.
Suspension play?
What do you mean?
Oh, what's
You know where's
this?
the other one? It's the upper. It's the upper control
Oh,
arm.
this. Okay, come. You gotta tighten this.
The upper control
So,
arm.
we need to unbolt this. We need to tighten this. Or if you can open this without loosening this will be great. I want to add Loctite and put it back.
Open here.
No, you look at my finger. See this bolt?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I need to tighten that. But before we tighten it, I need to Loctite it. Okay? I don't want any play in my suspension. See this one? No play? That one's got play.
Yeah.
It's the bolt that goes into the steering rack, okay? We need to pull it out. I want to add Loctite so it never comes loose on me. Because you know me, man, when I go sideways, I'm sideways.
Do it with ratchet, or I take everything out with wrench.
No, not everything out. Because first thing, try to open it without taking this out. The only thing you'll need to take out, if you need to take something out, is this one bolt.
Yep.
That's it. One bolt. You hold it here, you loosen it 2 wrenches, and that's it. You're done.
You got it.
So these are the wheels that we just spent like 10 minutes looking for. Are they worth it? Are they worth it? Oh, they're worth it. They're worth it.
Solid, baby, solid. Let's pull this car up.
So this is Austin's car?
No,
Whose car is this?
Mine.
Is it your car?
my car.
Oh, new toy, huh?
Wes is really good at these type of rims.
Yeah?
Yeah, Steelies.
15-inch Steelies, yeah.
That's his specialty.
Oh yeah, he loves the Steelies. Okay, guys, if you got Steelies, this is the #1 guy for Steelies. If you got nice aluminum rims like this, he's also your #1 guy. Actually, sorry, he's your #2. I'm your #1.
Ah, facts.
Forget.
Soap it up. Don't be shy with the soap. Because lube is your number one friend, brother. Okay? Now when you're mounting a tire, you're always gonna look at the tire. There's a rotation. You know about the rotation? You know the outside? Fuck, you smart guy, guys. So, you put it like this. This format right here. Break it down. You have it adjusted perfect. See, it's just gonna sit like that.
Yep.
Perfectly like that. Another thing you have to look at when you're mounting a rim is this lip. You see this lip here?
Yeah.
This lip is very important that you understand how to use this lip. If you mounted it upside down, there's nowhere for the tire to go. So it'll be very hard for it to come down. Watch this, okay? So now we're mounting it. This is gonna go like that. You see it? Like that. And then you spin it like this. So even if it's not touching it, no problem. You see how it's there? You see what I did there? Just start spinning. That's it, right? Very easy. Over here, what you wanna do, push the tire as much down as possible. This lip has to go underneath this. You see how it's sitting like that?
Yep.
And then this here, just like that. You'll grab this arm right here. That's it, yeah. And then this one, just like that. Okay? Now you start spinning. You see what happened here? This, come look from this angle. You see how it went underneath it?
Yep.
Now, if it didn't go underneath it, it would have got stuck. And what happens is this will break. So if it ever gets stuck here, you're gonna go a little bit more. You're gonna stop, okay? You're gonna release this and bring it back here to break the pin. If you have to, you're gonna hold this here so it doesn't come up, you know?
Right.
So you see, just like that, and then I would come here, right?
I see.
I didn't need to do it that run, but that's it. See, I got to the end now. What am I gonna do? I'm almost at the end. I want to relieve some pressure. So I'll put that up and I'll put this up. There's no more pressure. And we're right at the end anyways. So it'll go. When they're both down and you're at the end, it's too much pressure. Okay? Too much pressure, you break this.
So
This one is $65 each.
Both of them on.
Yes. Okay, now you know how to pump the air, right? And I want to wipe all the soap off. Okay? Wipe the soap, pump the air, and then from there, get the next one ready. I'm gonna watch. Let's go, man. This should take no more than 40 minutes, okay? If it takes you longer than 40 minutes, we're hiring.
Put the pressure on. You put the pressure on you, Armin.
Yo, you like that one? You can't do it in 40 minutes? We're hiring. What is this, the second or the third?
Third.
Okay, good. I'm proud of you, man. This guy might just keep his job. We're not hiring just yet, guys. I know everybody got excited. Hey, how's it going, bro? Good.
Interior, man.
Yeah, yo, this car is very tastefully specced out.
TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.